Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to become a certified AI specialized healthcare expert. In this video we quickly run you through the certification process for healthcare specialists and everything you need to learn and the different steps. As you know, these days you hear about AI everywhere, and it's definitely there in the healthcare sector, and this training program is basically meant on how to use all the current AI tools and go from beginner to advanced. So the benefits of having this certification is basically that you have the certified AI healthcare specialist status. So this basically shows that you have all the AI knowledge. And by having this knowledge you will save a lot of time because you're simply more productive and more efficient, which is great. And you also showed that you're serious about your job because you're future-proofing your skills, and you basically show that you have that full AI knowledge. And by doing this, you basically have increased job opportunities. So these days, when a company has to hire somebody with a similar skill set and they have AI knowledge opposed to no AI knowledge, they will pretty much always hire the person with AI knowledge. So hence the increased job opportunities there. And what we see on average as well is that people who use AI and know how to use AI efficiently let AI work them. So basically let AI work them as the perfect assistant. These people earn a 30% higher salary. So there's some huge benefits there for you. So basically what this certification program does is it really prepares you for career growth. So that's why it's so essential. In a bit we will run through the certification process. As you can see, we're currently on CompleteAItraining.com. So Complete AI Training is a platform that has AI training programs for over 220 different jobs. And we categorized all these jobs into multiple categories, basically job categories, if you will. So these are all the healthcare courses. We have a whole bunch of them. Healthcare and safety specialists, medical records clerks, biochemists, laboratory technicians, etc. So if you check the biochemist site page, courses page, you will see we have all the video courses here on the left if you click this button. So all these video courses bring you from beginner to advanced professional. We describe the different AI platforms, basic tasks like email management, data analytics that you will definitely use in this case as a biochemist, all the office tools that use AI, and how to, for example, make your own custom GPTs, which sounds difficult, but it's not if you know how it works. And we also show you all the prompt courses. So these are all the things a biochemist can do with AI. So we describe all of this in detail, which is really cool. So if you follow that, then once you follow all these courses and you want to pass this exam, which you need to follow both the video and the prompt courses, you can apply for your certification. So you can apply on the right side of the page here, or you can apply on the bottom of the page. They're both the same form, so you choose which one you prefer. And then we will do an eligibility check. So you get one certification for free within your yearly subscription. So the yearly subscription starts at $99 a year, and you get one certification per year included. And if you want to do a second certification, because we got a whole bunch of certifications on our website, so if you want to do a second certification, you get 20% discount. So the normal price for a certification would also be $99, and with 20% discount, your second certification would be $79. Good. After that, once you're eligible, then you will get a certification exam. It consists of 20 to 30 more theoretical questions, so theoretical multiple choice questions, and 4 to 8 practical long-form project-based questions that show that you have real-world AI knowledge in the healthcare sector. So these are very extensive, more open-ended questions. These are multiple choice. The number of the questions is variable because the test is always variable. Customized to your job basically, and also we wanted to make sure that the test is not easily copyable, hence the variable numbers in exam test. Good, you can do that certification at your own pace, though we advise to do it within a couple of weeks. After that we will manually do a manual evaluation of your test. This will take a couple of days, up to 1 week, and then you will either pass and directly receive your diploma/certificate as a certified AI healthcare specialist, or you will fail, and in the case you will fail, which we obviously don't hope, you will get very extensive feedback on what you have to learn for next time, so you have more chance of succeeding. Again, if you follow the training program for your profession in detail, you are very likely to succeed. If you fail, we do have to mention that because this is all a manual process and we offer the certifications for bargain prices, like $99 a year for the subscription, $79 for your second one. So we would have to charge you again because of the manual process involved in checking the test. Good. Yeah, if you want to know more, please check out our certified healthcare certification healthcare page. You'll find it under the certifications tab, and you'll find all the information here for you in detail also, and an extensive FAQ section as well. If you want to know more about CompleteAItraining.com, check out our website. One of the additional benefits that I almost forgot is that we continuously update our AI courses. So basically you will always be up to date on all the AI developments that are relevant for you. So in this case, as a biochemist, we update this page only with relevant AI information that is relevant for biochemists. So that's one of the additional benefits besides training that we offer, that there's a platform where all the AI developments that are relevant for you will always be displayed. Good. If you want to sign up, use the sign up button at the top here, or start a 3-day trial button. Anyone will do. You will get access to everything, to all our data for one user, and if you want to sign up with a company account, you can get, you will also have access, but then for up to 20 employees of your company, and you will have up to 10 certifications per year included. You can start a quick 3-day trial, nothing to lose there, so please go ahead, check that out. And I hope to see you soon as a certified healthcare specialist, AI healthcare specialist. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.